How to pay with gift card on Shein app. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to pay with gift card on Shein app. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Shein application on your device. Once opened, make sure you are logged in, and if not, go ahead and log yourself in. Now, in order to be able to pay with a gift card, you will need to have a few items on your card. So, go ahead and scroll through and select the items you want to purchase and add them to your cart. I already have a few items in my cart, so I will simply tap on my cart. Now, in the interface that you will be led to, select the items that you want to proceed to check out with and tap on the checkout button. Firstly, enter your correct shipping address in the interface that you will be led to, as this step is really important. And now scroll down and you will see the option for gift card. Tap on that. Further, enter your card number and your PIN and tap on the apply button, and if the card number and the PIN that you entered is valid, then you will successfully be able to pay with gift card on Shein app. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.